When the weather is like this means only one thing. It's time for a comforting butter bean stew. So add 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan. Let the oil heat before you add the rest of the ingredients. When the oil is heated, add 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped cloves of garlic. Cook that for 3 to 4 minutes until translucent and soft. Now add 1 grated carrot and 2 diced tomatoes. Cook that for another couple of minutes. Next step is to add 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 can of cooked butter beans, now add 300 milliliters of vegetable stock. Now reduce the heat and simmer that for about 10 minutes. So this has simmered for about 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna add this is basically half a teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, and this is gonna help us thicken the stew. Now simmer that for a few minutes so that the cornstarch works and the stew thickens. Add half a teaspoon of salt or to taste.
Hey guys, surprise! Thank you so much for watching the recipe until the end, and I hope you liked it and you're gonna try it. Now I'm coming in quick just because I wanted to let you know that I have left a link in the description, and that link is gonna take you to my site to a more authentic butter bean recipe, where basically requires you to soak your own beans and cook your own beans rather than using them from a can. So if you have more time and you wanna make it more authentic, check the description in the link and make that recipe instead of this one today. But ultimately both of the recipes are awesome. The one that I've shown you today is basically much quicker because the beans are already cooked. But nevertheless, thank you so much for watching and for supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!